From the first cut to the final piece, clean air should be a part of the process. Introducing the Thunder Air series, a reliable air system for safer workspaces. Engineered for tough workspace, Thunder Air features a sophisticated 5-stage vertical industrial filtration system. It starts with a heavy defense. When processing wood or leather, sparks and sticky grease are inevitable. Thunder Air's fireproof mesh and pre-filters stop these hazards instantly, shielding the precision layers above. However, the real challenge is invisible. Cutting organic polymer materials like acrylic releases pungent, toxic TVOC and odors. This is where Thunder Air takes control. Our high-density carbon stage neutralizes up to 1.4 million milligram gas particles of TVOC and odors, 4 times more than other brands, ensuring a truly fresh workspace. Finally, even for the finest particulates, the HEPA stage traps 99.9% of microscopic dust. From bottom to the top, only pure air be released to your workspace. By dividing and conquering pollutants across the 5-stage filtration system, oil and spark protection mesh, G4 pre-filter, F8 medium filter, activated carbon filter, H13 HEPA filter, Thunder Air dramatically extends its service life by over 300%. To power this strong flow, Thunder Air is engineered with a 5,300 revolutions per minute fan and 4,000 pascals of static pressure. We create a relentless vacuum, commanding 700 cubic meters of air every hour, a bottom-up vertical flow designed for maximum extraction efficiency. Yet even at this level of performance, Thunder Air maintains low operating noise, making it suitable for production floors, workshops, and shared workspaces. Complete control at your fingertips. Through an intuitive PLC interface, you can monitor the precise health status of each filter element in real time. Intelligent reminders for filter replacement protect your machines and, more importantly, your production costs. Operational continuity is key. Modular filter cartridges mean maintenance takes seconds, not hours, which redefines lower ownership costs. The Spark Shield layer is washable and reusable, reducing consumable costs and simplifying routine maintenance. Even heavy debris is managed effortlessly with our integrated collection tray. Simple, efficient, clean. Pure air, longer life, lower costs. Thunder Air isn't just a fume extractor. It's the most reliable partner on your production line.